All right, Yema Obibia Akwaba once again, and Fambra Demadiba official show. No, so I I did the preview of the Continental Club Masters. How the fuck gamer or my name Wydad Athletic Club of Morocco. You know, you don't preview no. Bro, before that, so subscribe. Ebeka Yabushi Kunis in case of so subscribe that. Oh, subscribers, so Mia Adomano Swa. Na ya obika mia subscription button no na adoma biaba no was mia adoma no say o say adoma no kwama. So in case of say video bia to from say kukro na on site me going to say my Diba official channel is we bring you the best of the best. We make sure say the fata say ote na share energy ebrel enti tell a friend to log on to the Madiba official channel and join us over there. So today can catch you on debia can just seven previous so focus on epe do dey at the phone just so moment kan eduma de nema enko kan and fa my now is no devil much more into the game at a big game and the Continental Club Masters, the rainbow colors never say die until the bones are rotten. Ejemu na watri awie enti yadea ya be renya se nema betimi akọ ya the team omam ekobo and the tactical philosophy on the field of play between the two clubs and a beer for us we think say joining ebetimi akọ enti yes emre no ya we yadea the game no say ebetimi akọ now ya sha se every Wydad Athletic Club Bobokua ayete no in about 87 years ago and a team Wydad Athletic Club that is a club Ugo Pio Morocco the Giants over there. Imagine about 21 league titles. Morocco league find a bottle. Imagine the Bottler Premier League on 21 occasions. Now last season, last 2 seasons there, it took until the final the end of the Green Eagles. I know on Monumences. I got the Ghana animal Kazo Fukin Kotokono and a Raja for Ejiri film last season. 67 points. This season, so actually has very well. In 5 months, so much Bono. I winning 4, I draw 1. I share 8 goals, I consider just 2 pay. That is the record at Morocco club Ediba in 5 matches, 4 wins, 1 drawn game, no defeat, 8 goals scored, 2 conceded, almost 13 points up. Sorry, I'm Ediba into Yadoma where we said a game a bit that is on the 16th day of October 2021. Into this is a game for me. Embedded because this is a club last season. In the Champions League, you know, in the semi-finals. Now, semi-finals, you know, team my friends like Karachi and a team more. In the first leg, Lucy Ofi or the start moment the fifth stadium, Samir Nukovic, share the only goal. Prepare second leg, you know, acquire a draw game. To where this a club always, you know, their target, their aspiration, and always, you know, we want to be able to do that. And then the first round, Air said they go into the group stages. Now, go into the final. Don't forget, the Champions League 2 times. First in the year 1992, and the last time was way back in 2017. And the idea edged their last time in the 2018 final. Esperance, Equia Vanti, Mobium. This is a club. They are a proper cathedral in African football. So per club because we are there about Africa or winning the panel Wydad Athletic Club. And this will be a big game. And this is a club who were last season there for me I think say a bit more last season the attacking lineup on when one of them not players like Mohamed Unajem. Oh no but on low Leafy Zamalek. Now come back to the parent club. Ayub El Kabi on the captain Morocco. Mohamed the Chan on us echo and Walid El Kati. Under the captain team in the absence of the general, Saladin Saidi. In Tisawe, Saladin Saidi, a corner captain, the man leader Odo say, because of age wise, no only team Eura, non air corner can play and can advertise the man will a catch a few of them. So it tells that they are losing those players. Now they are having new players. Odo said, Simon Happy got him silver. And that's all more. And this is him. He has been and around the goals. Or Tanzania, Brighton for me. Will be the man to realize, although somebody give Benza Abba, Congo Brighton edged on loan from Royal Antwerp, or by in 4 matches, was 2 league goals and a boko. I find myself with that into this with that team. Last season, anyone no, do not echo. I'm a Abeka new ones and the air into the team. Besana Medical can play or replace a cabin. A player that was already in the team in Happy God in Suva, Simon. And he tells them, although they are lacking here, but they are still having someone that will replace them. And this Medical guy said they don't concede a lot of goals. And when they come to away games, they make sure say they will sit deep, play on the counter break, and at times all the players that can do damage for a club and a children so where at theater line mo na check Komara mo na in goal post I'm rather tag mo either goal post. This will be an easy game, and their defense midfielder as usual has always been Yaya Jabran, who will sit deep in front of the defense, and Yaya Jabran will be tasked on doing that one. Now over idea Abrantia fan said Bedi Auk, for me, he will be a spot up in this game. He might not start, but Brighton or left footer were very good over there. So this will be a game, a very tricky game for other folk. They have the experience, they have the pedigree. Other folk shouldn't underrate this club because although they may say other folk and lose an away game, and I said they won't lose home game against any of African side that. But hey, this is a different ball game altogether. Not to say that's intimate. The man last season, Kala Chiefs Etimeko share Boko fan said. With that, Morocco their goalkeepers. Their goalkeepers and among share with that EU Efremo. Bruce Boomer in the first leg was splendid. He gave a 10 out of 10 performance. The modern month very well good. It was top notch. In the second leg, Ekwe Dane Apoyi of Nigeria on Ebwaye Emma Ayadea on Etimi Ekipi clean sheet in those two matches from Ebo against Wydad no. Their striker Samin Nukovic in Jabulo Blom cross and boy and a pump and to tell them this is a clubber and we show man you have to take your chance. You will go past to be on this again because they will create a lot of chances when they have the ask when they get the chance they will do it. And the other folk able to this game they can come and strength and what they can do now. Has for me in the first game against CI Kamsa because say my moment away to me as it as team very well because Kekwe woman I will call all the way echo win ball a game my own this is a club that can be able to beat the mind can you could have at least stretch your neck and say has a bit more winning but has uncle away gumbo and even with that they took a late 2 goals and a late 2 goals from Salif Adams and about the fence Komikoji and Sana has 18 every in that game. It tells us has team and all that how we want it to be because when you are playing against such opportunities, you have to take your chance. But has has the Arsenal to do so. Then Banya Equatre 120 in a league or share the quality crab and they Oka now we say the other folk team we are and the Di Maria Salif for more and one more a chance at the moment. Now the owners will rely on their goal preparation at America how they don't eat me idea without any film and the goalkeepers. Richard Attah to make sure say you'll be resolute, you'll be composed, you'll be agile on the goalkeeping department. So that they are born over team as able. Now idea Fatau, Mohamed Emma and Niema who counts South African Emma the team. Because start Mohamed the first stadium say stadium is super. And the Okoka say idea on any South Africa. Of course, stadium no say ideas the US stadium is Tiana Mase and we have so this is a different ball game altogether. Haas can do it. The idea over how yeah, they are perfectly says on both the team now. Richard Attah, Mo Alassane, Soa Ado, and they will be lucky Rado Vuka with that is second rounds. But for me, with William Ntori Denchi, he can do a job for the club. Fatah Mohamed be on the right fullback, and he be a between Salim Adams and Caleb because Caleb Amankwa over the weekend now he's back in training, but I don't know how fit that he is for this game. It means that young Salim Adams ever starting the first game competitively on the biggest and grandest stage. And don't forget, for the past 9 years, you're not a club in this country, Ghana. So all represent here, or the money zone, or the group stages of the African Champions League. Since Beku Chelsea team up, Emmanuel Koletemo, Ekomekida Express, means any club from this country to represent Ghana in the group stages. So it will be an easy game. So you need your best Arsenals. But let's see, maybe someone keep going to Salim Adams boy. Because that the last game of boy and the goal or share can give him that morale booster, that confidence that he needs for this big stage. And for me, I think maybe he can do the job for the folk. Netens to any all that faith. But with those players, and now the Di Maria, Airborne as more like as the fantasy star or the three-quarter star, creating typical number 10. The chances for Nicolics from Nana Bania Fie, Kovi Koji, on Airshare goes in their friendly game, on Airshare 6, Airshare 4, albeit against lower positions. But that's what you need, confidence boosting game. And for me, I think how they are gelling together now, this will be a game that for me, Hearts won't lose this game. Hearts won't lose. Maybe it will be a difference of 1 goal. 2 goals to 1 or 1-0 for the Continental Club Masters. And all the way in Morocco now. How this game will pan out will determine how the game will go in Morocco. But don't forget, these Moroccan clubs will not come to open up. They will come and sit deep, play on the counter break, try to reduce the scoreline. How it me no more at me and making sure we'll be in the Jumasan 80 now. Just like with that, and as so many Kaizer Chiefs, Kaizer Chiefs players, Eric Mato or more, Jabulo Blom, got Sefile Mobomo, and defending as a team now. For me, I see how the folk be able to get a good result over here and go all the way to Morocco to maybe cause an upset over there. Here still remains the Madiba official channel. So subscribe here, subscribe here. If I can, you may give any video piano now on set. For now, let me say adios, gracias, muchas.